This video presents an application to the United States Bureau of Geographic Names for the naming of the Deep Lock Quarry, submitted by Oapsie Inc. in March 2024. The video includes a summary of the site information, a map, details about Oapsie Inc. and its president, 𝗟𝗲𝘀𝘀𝘀𝗀, and additional supporting information. The Deep Lock Quarry is a cliff feature in the Cuyahoga Valley National Park near Peninsula, Ohio. It's historically significant for providing limestone for the Ohio and Erie Canal's construction, starting in the 1820s. The quarry's name comes from the adjacent Deep Lock, a major structure of the canal. Geologically, it exhibits a deep, wide cliff structure, primarily composed of limestone. Following its cessation, the quarry naturally transformed into a unique ecosystem within the national park. Today, it serves as a valuable recreational and educational asset. The official designation would enhance the visibility and accessibility of this site, which offers a multifaceted view into the region's history and natural world. The map identifies the proposed feature, Deep Lock Quarry, as a cliff type, located at latitude 41.231 and longitude -81.549 near Peninsula, Summit County, Ohio. Oapsie Inc. demonstrates a commitment to technology, conservation, and community through various digital platforms, including East Rim Trail and the Galaxy of Edi. These platforms, managed by 𝗟𝗲𝘀𝘀𝘀𝗀𝗀, focus on outdoor activities, conservation, and engineering insights, showcasing a blend of expertise and interest.